Today is a milestone. We're finally going to be able to put books on the shelves. Everything is done. I polished all the wood and everything. We are good to go. We'll be putting the books on the shelves today. So it's pretty friggin' exciting. We're gonna start with all the books that are kind of like just piled places and in bags and things and stacked, you know, on bookshelves in front of the actual books. We'll empty out that room in the basement that has all of our boxed up stuff from when we moved. And then if there's still a lot of room, we might empty 2 of the bookcases that are upstairs in the dining room. Clear them out. It's pretty exciting. We're finally getting it done. Today is the day. We're moving all the overflow books downstairs and onto the new shelves. It should really clean up this crap. Ready? Hey, baby. All right. That one. And one there. I'm gonna check the spare room. I know there's one in here. Oh, 2. Junk. There's another one. And these ones. Oh yeah. H.G. Wells. I forgot. And then there's these 2 over here.
Ones of Debrett's and something else.
Yeah, Debrett's Peerage and that cool French encyclopedia I got. Alright, these are all the overflow books we found upstairs and hidden all over the house. So now we're just gonna throw them up on the shelves and dust them as we go.
Crack is whack.
All right, so we are done. Check it out. So we've got 2 more bookcases to empty upstairs, but we're gonna leave them for now because I have a Rubbermaid full of Dragonlance books that I'm gonna fill that last shelf and see how far I get with that. And then I just found another lead for more lumber on Facebook at a really good price, so we're gonna go check it out tomorrow, and hopefully I will get enough wood to completely finish the shelving units and even the Murphy door. So we're well on our way. This is like a huge milestone. Like, check it out. That's pretty exciting. It instantly feels more cozy in here. Like, like, I guess just because there's books. And I can't wait till the smell like permeates, you know, of like a library. Oh, so cool.